dala.
Parang mas advantage yung priority.
Touchdown, Hanoi. We're on our way to drop our bags para makaikot muna kami kasi 2 PM pa kami pwedeng maka-check-in. You cannot gala without money, kaya ang first order of business namin ay mag-withdraw ng local currency, which is Vietnam Dong.
1 million. 2 million. Congratulations! First day at Vietnam!
Habang naglalakad kami, napansin namin na ang daming Vietnamese flag na naka-display. Tapos may malakas na music na tumutugtog banda doon. So tara, tignan natin. Ang daming nangyayari. May sumasayo ng Zumba, may mga nagpa-fun run, tapos may mga nagpa-practice ng baton. Alam namin na maaabutan namin yung Independence Day ng Vietnam, which is on September 2. But what we didn't expect ay ganito pala ka-patriotic ang Vietnamese people. Sana all! Finally, nakarating na kami sa Pho Tan Le Quoc Su kung saan kami magbe-breakfast. They're included in the Michelin Guide from 2023 to 2025. I ordered well-done beef flank pho and it's so good! My tummy is really happy na ito ang una ko na-try na food sa Vietnam. Next stop, ang famous na Hanoi Train Street. Yung next train na dadaan ay 9 AM pa daw, so nakitambay muna kami dito sa Cafe Ga Dong Duong. Here's their menu for your reference.
So I ordered both coffee. Let's try. Salty. Hi! Welcome to Hanoi.
Ako alam ang words nila eh.
Xin chào.
Xin chào, ako ala.
Maaga-aga kaming dumating, kaya naman parang na-solo namin tong train street. Tinake na namin yung opportunity para makakuha ng maraming magagandang photos.
When you say those things, I don't think you realize what they mean to me. Messing with my head, I'm going ADD. Keep the memories, cause I don't wanna be just friends. Now I'm on my own, scrolling through the messages all on my phone. Thinking to myself that I just should have known. You were playing games and trying to get inside my head.
Huwag kang luluhod dyan, ah. Huwag kang kabahan, di yan luluhod dyan. True. Mabato. Talaga ako kayo sa pwesto ko, no? Buti na lang may fun! Buti na lang may fun! Ang init! Salamat po sa sponsor! Tawid na! Oh my God! Nakakatakot tumawid sa Vietnam!
And now we're here sa Hua Lo Prison na natayo nung part pa ng French Indochina ang Vietnam. This actual place was the prison complex, which was then converted into a museum. Meron silang guided audio para sa mga tourist, pero isa lang kinuha namin kasi mga kuripot kami. Char. For lunch, pumunta kami sa Tamvi, nakasama rin sa Michelin Guide of 2023 to 2025. We ordered various food sets para makatikim kami ng iba-ibang Vietnamese dishes on our first day.
Iba yung kumain ako. Ang tapo yung kumain.
Pambing.
Ako sila pero kami kulo. First day kasi makaka 2K per day. So, bukas KFC na lang. Bing, Twister, ano.
Kasi yung kape, 3-in-1 muna.
Bili sa supermarket.
11 PM pa talaga yung biyahe ng bus pupuntang Sapa, pero na-late kami sa pick-up time nila, which is 9 PM pala. Kaya nahati kami at nakasakay kami sa magkaibang bus. So, ang lesson, dapat always confirm with your service provider yung mga details ng mga services na binook nyo. But I really like the vibes of this cabin bus kasi para kaming nasa mobile hotel. That's it for day 1. See you in Sapa. Good night!